Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. Hope you guys are having an awesome Friday. Trading day just ended here a little bit ago. Down a little bit of money today, 24.56, sitting right under 82.70. As you can see here from today's chart, kind of all over the place. Started off in the green and then kind of dropped down after that. Maintained those losses throughout the day. Market rebounded right before market close there, about a half hour before market close, and then ended down again, so about $25 or so down. Big thing today is I went ahead and I made a lot of stock purchases. A lot of the stocks that have been offered over the last couple weeks in my stock picking videos, I went ahead and I bought quite a few of those stocks, as well as some other stocks I was taking a look at. So I think today I kind of like just go through my portfolio, give you guys an update of what I have currently in my portfolio. And yeah, kind of go from there. So let's start up at the top here, way up on the top here. So VYM, this is a Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF. Very nice diversified Vanguard fund. It's got actually a pretty good dividend yield, 2.7%. This was one I was going to put a little bit more money into, but decided to go ahead and just buy some individual securities. But I think I'm going to put a little bit more capital into this when I have more funds available. Pfizer, as you guys know, this is one of my initial stock picks. This is one of the stocks bringing my portfolio down here, and $137 down. Along with this one here, Portola, this is my speculative play biotech company. It doesn't have a dividend yield, but kind of tried to jump into this one before an FDA decision on one of the company's pharmaceutical products, and unfortunately it wasn't approved, and because of that there was kind of a little bit of a drop off here. 27 to 19. It's rebounded quite nicely here up to 23, 24. But I'm going to play that one long. Abbott, this is a new stock I just purchased, a pharmaceutical company, an offshoot of Abbott Laboratories, a great dividend yield here at 3.5%. Bank of the Internet, another one of my initial purchases here. This has made me the most money so far. This is just kind of one of those purchases that I was going to make a little bit of a speculative play on, and it kind of worked out for me. Up $55 or so overall. Wells Fargo and Company, another stock, user suggested stock. It's been in the news recently for some negative things it was doing with its business practices, but it's got a great dividend yield. It's fairly cheap. It's kind of been knocked down with the price, and I think this will recover in the long term, so I'm going to play this one long. General Electric is another great dividend yielding stock here, 3%. 3M Company, this is one of my new here. I made that one today. Great dividend yield, 2.5%. Going to be playing this one long. Illinois Toolworks, another great dividend aristocrat, 1.867%, excuse me. Not a great dividend yield, not like those others anyway, but this is one of the dividend aristocrats that have been giving dividends forever. Abbott Laboratories, again, great dividend yield, a pharmaceutical, actually a healthcare company. The pharmaceutical division kind of split off into Abbey. Cardinal Health, another healthcare stock, 2.3% dividend yield. Dow Chemical, another awesome stock, 3.5% dividend yield on this one. Procter and Gamble, geez, can't talk today. Procter and Gamble, consumer products, 3.05% dividend yield. Awesome company, another dividend aristocrat. Colgate, another dividend aristocrat, 2.1%. And what do I mean by a dividend aristocrat? These companies have essentially given dividends and increased their dividends over the last 25 years or so. So awesome companies, very solid, and any company who can do that is a solid company. Any company that can give a high dividend and increase those dividends over a period of time are awesome long-term buys. Kimberly-Clark, again, another consumer products company, 2.9% dividend yield. Johnson & Johnson, everybody knows Johnson & Johnson, awesome dividend yield, almost 2.7%. Cisco, another kind of support company, 2.5% dividend yield. General Motors, automotive company, 4.7%. Ford Motor Company, 4.9%. Coca-Cola here, another awesome dividend aristocrat, 3.2%. PepsiCo, another awesome company with regards to long-term play as well as dividend, 8%. McDonald's, plus or minus jumping into this. I thought I'd go ahead and buy a share to kind of see how it plays out. 3% for McDonald's, so dividend yield. Kraft Heinz Company, another awesome company, food products, 2.7%. AT&T, telecommunications company, 4.6%. Went ahead and bought kind of a hedge play, bought Verizon as well as competition. 4.3% for a dividend yield on this one. Canadian National Railroad, this one has performed very well for me. It's got an okay dividend yield, 2.3%. Actually, a pretty good dividend yield, 2.3%. Thought that was a little bit lower. Union Pacific, another one of its competitors, kind of a hedge, 2.3% as well. Southern Electric Energy Company, 4.1%. This has been a very solid company. It's been around forever as well, since 1945. So awesome company. Exxon Mobil, energy company, oil company. Plus or minus getting into this one as well, but it's got an awesome dividend yield, 3.6%. I thought I'd play this one long. It's up about $4 today, so not too bad. Intel, great semiconductor company, 2.8% dividend yield. IBM, one of Warren Buffett's stock holdings, 3.6%. Microsoft, awesome company, 2.5%. This is a little bit more of a risky play actually, but I thought I'd get in, jump in and buy some Microsoft. AMD, bought this just because I like AMD, no dividend yield, kind of a personal play if you will. Target here, consumer goods, good play, 3.5%. Actually retail goods, excuse me. Lockheed Martin, kind of my defense pick here. I actually did a stock picking video of the top defense stocks, and this is one of those. A 2.7% dividend yield on Lockheed Martin. And then I have some funds here, bond funds, and some other mortgage funds here. A REIT here, Stag. These are just kind of speculative plays actually. Guggenheim, PCM, PIMCO, BlackRock. Those are all my bond funds. These are just a couple of penny stocks I just bought for the fun of it. So yeah, those are my current stock holdings as of today. Like I said, I jumped in, bought a few of the stocks I've been wanting to buy recently. Still have a little bit of capital left over, so still have about $2,000 or so that I can jump in and buy some other high dividend yielding securities. So not a great day overall. Down about $25 or so, sitting right under 82.70. Yeah, I'm going to continue adding to some of my high dividend yielding securities, and hopefully over the next couple of months I'll have a little bit better idea of what my portfolio is going to look like. Hopefully it's a little bit better diversified, and I hope my dividend payments start rolling in. So yeah, just kind of wanted to talk about my portfolio today. As always, if you enjoyed my videos, go ahead and subscribe, leave a couple thumbs up, leave a couple comments. Really helps out the channel. Hope you guys have an awesome weekend, and we'll see you guys later with my stock picking video. Bye bye.